Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to view folders on the left side of the Telegram app on your PC, especially after the latest update. This feature makes organizing and accessing your chats more efficient than ever. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your chats and folders seamlessly. Once the app is open, look at the upper left corner of the window. Here, you'll find the folder name or the section that displays your chat categories. Click on this area, and a list of your existing folders will appear on the left side of the screen. This is where all your organized chats are stored, making it easy to navigate through different groups, channels, or personal chats. If you want to customize or add new folders, look for the Edit option underneath the folder name. Clicking on it will bring up a menu where you can modify your current folders. You can add new chats to these folders, or remove chats that no longer belong there by clicking on the trash icon next to each chat. This helps you keep your conversations organized and accessible. To add a chat to a folder, simply right-click on the chat from your main chat list or from within the All Chats section. Then select Add to Folder and choose the folder you want to include it in. This quick action instantly sorts your chats, saving you time and clutter. With these easy steps, you can now view and manage your Telegram folders on your PC effortlessly. This update enhances your messaging experience by keeping everything neatly organized on the left side of your screen. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.